In this video, we explore how different animals, bears and wild boars, foxes, turtles, squirrels, frogs, rabbits, hedgehogs, bats, magpies, and migratory or resident birds, spend the winter in the snowy forest. After watching the video, encourage children to share stories about how each animal survives the cold season. This activity helps build nature observation skills and ecological understanding.
Snow is falling in the mountain high. Mr. Bear goes in his cave to lie, breathing softly, dreaming slow, sleeping through the winter snow. Shh, be quiet, please don't shout. Bear is dreaming deep throughout. When the springtime comes again, he'll wake up in the sun and rain. Wild boar hides in leaves so deep, sniffing softly falls asleep, resting well till winter's gone. Then he'll run when spring has come. Shh, be quiet, please don't shout. Boar is dreaming all about when the springtime comes again. The forest wakes with life again.
When winter comes, the bear goes into a deep mountain cave. Its body fat keeps it alive without food for many months. While sleeping, its heartbeat slows down, using little energy. In spring, it wakes up with a big yawn and looks for fish or berries to eat. The wild boar curls up among dry leaves to sleep, but on warmer days, it roams the forest searching for acorns and roots. This winter break, be the best. How animals survive the winter.
When the snow is falling down, the fox walks softly through the town. Her red tail sways, her steps are light, leaving prints in winter white. Follow the footprints in the snow, the forest secrets start to show. Through the wind and winter's chill, the fox keeps walking still. Under leaves she sniffs around, tiny treats upon the ground. With her coat so warm and bright, she sleeps beneath the night. Follow the footprints in the snow, the winter tales begin to glow. When the spring returns one day, the fox runs free. Game, game.
The fox doesn't sleep during winter. Her thick fur keeps her warm. She walks across the snow looking for mice, little birds, or leftover fruits to eat. See you in the next episode of Coco Sina's Winter Animals series.
Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya, hi ya, dee ah. In the pond, the turtle family stays so still. The winter wind is cold, but they feel chill. They find a cozy place in the muddy ground, resting warm and safe all around. Quiet and calm, don't make a peep, dream through winter soft and deep. When springtime comes with sunny beams, they stretch and wake from gentle dreams. The soft-shelled turtle and his friends side by side, dream beneath the water where they hide. Under the ice, the world is big, I rest in peace through every night. From gentle dreams. Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
During winter, Turtles find warm places to rest under the pond. The jara swims fast with its soft shell, while the namsatai moves slowly between land and water with its hard shell. Let's learn together how animals stay safe and cozy through the winter. See you in the next episode of Coco Sina's Winter Animals series.
Little squirrel jumps and hops, running down the forest trail, storing acorns one by one, filling up the tiny shed. Red squirrel comes quietly, leaping branch to branch with joy, till the winter chill arrives, saving all with loving care. Guard the acorn storage now, it's our treasure for the winter. With our cozy acorn pile, we'll stay warm the whole season. When the gentle wind blows in, winter steps a little near. They build up a warm, soft nest for a peaceful winter sleep. Snuggling close through snowy nights, nothing scary comes their way. Smells of acorns all around make the little home so warm. Guard the acorn storage now, it's our treasure for the winter. With our cozy acorn pile, we'll stay warm the whole season.
Squirrels collect acorns in autumn. They hide them inside tree holes and eat them little by little in winter. Sometimes the forgotten acorns grow into new trees. See you in the next episode of Coco Sina's Winter Animals series.
Deep in the muddy ground, the little frog sleeps safe and warm. Even when cold winds blow and snow falls, it quietly waits through winter's storm. Soft and still, breathing slow, waiting for spring to come again. Dreaming inside the cozy earth, waking up when sunshine taps in. Ribbit, ribbit, spring is here. The frog's little heart is full of cheer. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along under the warm and gentle sun. When the melting winds return, the frog gets ready to sing. Winter sleep finally ends and the green world starts to shine. Friends at the pond awaken too. One by one they open their eyes. The little frog jumps happily, greeting spring before anyone else. Ribbit, ribbit, spring is here. The frog's little heart is full of cheer. Ribbit, ribbit, sing along under the warm and gentle sun.
The frog sleeps under the mud during winter. Its heart beats slowly, and it barely breathes. When spring comes, it wakes up and catches insects. See you in the next episode of Coco Sina's Winter Animals series.
Soft white snow is falling down, covering the forest trail. Little bunny in white fur coat wears it warm without a fail. Tiptoe, tiptoe through the forest, quiet steps in winter air. On the snow his tiny footprints tap, tap, tap appear right there. Hop, hop, hopping little bunny, running in the snowy wood, with his little ears all lifted, singing winter bright and good. Playing with the snowy flurries, peekaboo with winter light, dancing with the gentle breezes down the shining path so white. Up the hill he jumps so lightly, laughter ringing bright and clear. In the winter woods the bunny sparkles, sparkles far and near. Hop, hop, hopping little bunny, running in the snowy wood, with his little ears all lifted, singing winter bright and good.
The mountain rabbit doesn't sleep in winter. Its fur turns white to blend in with the snow. It eats grass hidden under the snow. and the bark of tree branches. See you in the next episode of Coco Cena's Winter Animals series.
Little hedgehog walks tip tap tap. Autumn leaves go rustle in the wind, looking for a warm and cozy place, getting ready for winter sleep. Sleepy hedgehog under leafy blankets, warm and safe until winter is over. Hedgehog friends, sleep tight tonight. When spring arrives, we'll play again. Under leaves he makes a tiny nest, sniffs the air with his little nose. Under starlight he curls up softly, drifting into his dreamy night. Sleepy hedgehog under leafy blankets, warm and safe until winter is over. Hedgehog friends, sleep tight tonight. When spring arrives, we'll play again.
The hedgehog sleeps curled up in a pile of dry leaves. It hardly moves all winter, using its body fat for energy. In spring, it eats insects, worms, and small fruits. See you in the next episode of Coco Cena's Winter Animals series.
Winter comes softly to the cave. Bats look for a cozy place, hanging gently from the ceiling. Off to dreamland they start their race. Even when it's dark inside, they're not scared, they're side by side, closing their eyes so quietly. Into warm dreams they slowly glide. Upside down to dreamland go, sleeping softly, warm and slow. Little bat friends, rest tonight. Winter holds you safe and tight. Wrapped gently around their chest, cold winds can't disturb their rest. Upside down they sleep so still, winter's secret, quiet and chill. The cave becomes a warming home, only soft breathing gently roams. When spring arrives with shining blue, they'll fly back into the sky anew. Upside down to dreamland go, sleeping softly, warm and slow. Little bat friends, rest tonight. Winter holds you safe and tight.
The bat sleeps hanging upside down from the cave ceiling. It lowers its body temperature to save energy. When spring comes, it spreads its wings and hunts mosquitoes and insects. See you in the next episode of Coco Cena's Winter Animals series.
La 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 da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la. Magpie sings her crack 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 in her cozy branch-top nest, hiding acorns, little berries, saving all her winter rest. Even when the cold wind blows, nothing scares her anymore. With a strong and safe warm nest, winter's nothing to fear. La 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 da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la. Magpie calls her friends to come, one by one they fly and cheer. Let's begin our winter party, all together gather here. Acorns and the shiny berries, sharing snacks and laughing bright. When the snowy flakes start falling, they stay close and warm inside. Magpie's winter celebration, filled with joy and cozy cheer. When my friends are here beside me, winter isn't cold or fear. La 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 da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la la da 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 da, la. Magpie's winter celebration, warm and snug inside the nest. Everyone comes close together, winter days feel truly blessed.
The magpie stays near villages during winter. It hides the food it stored in autumn. It eats fruits, grains, and insects, and calls to its friends with cheerful sounds. See you in the next episode of Coco Cena's Winter Animals series.
open sky. When the cold wind blows, they head to warmer lands, chasing the sunlight, crossing the wide blue sea. They spend the winter where the warm breeze stays. Flying to the warmer southern lands. Wing to wing they travel in a line. Migrants fly away and residents stay behind. Each bird has its own way to spend the winter. The little birds that live around our town search for food even when the snow falls down. Safe in their cozy nests, they cuddle close and warm, bravely passing winter in their home sweet home. Flying to the warmer southern lands. Wing to wing they travel in a line. Migrants fly away and residents stay behind. Each bird has its own way to spend the winter.
Migratory birds fly to warm southern lands. Resident birds stay and eat seeds and fruits. They spend the winter together, sharing warmth. See you in the next episode of Coco Cena's Winter Animals series. Subscribing and clicking like on the Child 365 channel truly helps us keep creating new videos. Thank you.